Alright, so here's a video of the Coleman minibike. I just wanted to show exactly what it's doing before and then after carburetor replacement, just to verify. So gas on, choke on, key on. So if I step off of it, it is trying to move forwards. If I pick the rear wheel up, when I pick the rear wheel up, it definitely takes off. But when we turn the throttle, it dies. Once again, slow turn of the throttle works. Quick turn and it dies. So that is once again, without the throttle, it wants to move forwards. But as soon as we give it gas, it just shuts off.